Okay, children, some more questions on degree measure theorem, children. First question. Tanmay, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is this called now? What is this called? What is this called? Tell me.
Sir, cyclic quadrilateral.
Cyclic quadrilateral. So this is 3x, this is x, this is 5y, and this is y. Can you tell me all the angles, measurements, all the angles, measurements? In cyclic quadrilateral,
Opposite angles are supplementary.
opposite angles are supplementary. So 3x
3x plus x equals to 180. 4x equals to 180. X equals to 45.
So 3 into 45 is how much? 135. This
100
is 135, and this will be how much?
40.
Now this will be how much? 5y plus y.
5y plus y equals to 180.
Okay.
6y equals to 180. Y equals to 30.
Okay, y is equal to 30 means this is 30. This is 150.
150.
Because in cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are
Supplementary.
in cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. Krishna Lahari is there. Lahari,
Yes.
no, you have to increase your volume. Okay, this is 30 degrees and this is 70 degrees. Can you please tell me and find BCD. Find BCD means BCD. This angle, this angle, this angle. BCD. Okay, ma?
Sir, if this is 70, the angle beside 30 degrees is also 70.
Okay. If this is 30, this is also 30, you mean to say?
Yes.
Why? Because?
Angles in same segment.
Now apply.
Angles and property.
Can you please tell me?
30 plus 70 plus C is equal to 180.
Angles and property.
E plus 100 is equal to 180.
Okay.
C is equal to 80 degrees.
C is equal to 80 degrees. Sridhita is there? Sridhita? Sridhita? Nandika?
Yes, sir.
Question is find the measure of BPD. BPD. Where is P? Sir, you will ask this angle.
Okay. If that is 60, that is 80, sir.
This is
Degree
80, right?
measure.
Degree
Degree
measure.
measure theorem.
If
If
this
that
is
is 80, angle P is equal to 100. Angles
right?
in cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary.
In cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are
Opposite angles are
supplementary.
supplementary.
Opposite angles are supplementary, children. So if this is 80, this will be 100 because in cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. In cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. Very good. Next question. HSV is there? HSV? Hansika? Hansika? Children, they have given that this and this entire thing is equal. Okay, and they said that this is 50. This is only 50. This full one is 50. This full one. Okay, what is the question, sir? And find measure of BEC. This angle they are asking, children. And also they are asking BEC. This angle also they are asking, children. Okay, yeah. Who is there next? Saisha is there? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Saisha, tell if this is 50, how do you find out this angle?
The whole is 50, sir.
Yeah, from here to here it is 50.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If this is 50, this also will be 50. Can you tell why? Because equal sides have
Equal sides.
equal base angles. Equal sides have equal base angle. Equal sides have equal base angle. If this is 50, this is 50. By angle sum property, what will be this? Angle sum property.
80, sir.
80. If this is 80, what will be this?
80.
Why?
Angles are
in same segment are equal.
Equal.
Angles in same segment are
Equal.
angles in same segment are
Equal.
If this is 80, what will be this?
Half of it 40. Okay,
100.
100.
In cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary.
Supplementary.
In cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. In cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. Next fifth one. This is question children. Okay. Tanvi, is there Tanvi? Tanvi is there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me this. This is 130. This is 130 degrees. BAC I want. I want this angle. And remember, ABC is the cycle whose AB is the diameter. Yeah, this is diameter. It is passing from the center. I want X. I want X. Yama. Yes, Nana. Varsha is there.
Yes, sir.
If this is 130, this will be how much?
50 degrees.
Why?
Angles in cyclic
Cyclic
quadrilateral supplementary.
Supplementary. What will be this angle? This will be anyone? Anyone in the class? What will be this angle? Anyone in the class? Anyone in the class? What will be this angle?
X, sir.
Anyone in the class?
50.
No. Anyone in the class? Degree measure theorem, second case.
90 degrees.
90 degrees.
Angle in the semicircle. Angle in the semicircle is 90 degrees. This is 90, this is 50. You have to find out x. X plus 90 plus 50 is equal to 180. X plus 140 is equal to 180. X is equal to 40. You should understand, children. You should be very, very careful, children. That's why how many sums you practice, that's the strong will become in the subject, children. Not that we have completed the lesson over, happy, not like that, children. You should become very much perfect in a particular lesson. This is a semicircle, children. A, B, C, D. Shanmukh is there? Shanmukh? Shanmukh is there? Shanmukh. Okay. Neeraj is there? Neeraj. Calculate A, B, D. Okay.
Yes, sir.
A, B, D. I want this. I want this one. And also B, D, C. I want B, D, C. This also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Tell me. What is this angle?
Sir, that is 90 degrees, sir.
Why?
Angle in the semicircle is 90 degrees, sir.
So apply angle sum property.
90 plus 70 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. X is equal to 180 minus 160 degrees. X is equal to 20 degrees.
X is equal to 20. Now how to find out y? Come on, Neeraj. Very easy. If this is 70.
Sir, if this is 70, that is 110, sir.
Why 110? Because in cyclic quadrilateral,
opposite sides are supplementary.
angles are supplementary.
Angles.
Say statement again. In cyclic
quadrilaterals, opposite angles are supplementary.
Now apply angle sum property for this.
110 plus 30 plus y is equal to 180 degrees. 140 degrees plus y is equal to 180 degrees. Y is equal to 40 degrees.
Okay, Vivek is there?
Yes, sir.
This is 140.
Yes,
Find BAD, find BAD and D. I want this angle.
Yes, sir. The above one will be 70 degrees, sir.
This is 70 by degree measure.
Degree measure theorem.
Okay.
Theorem first is.
Then
Yes, sir. And opposite angles in second quadrilateral are supplementary. So that will be 110 degrees, sir. So x will be 70 degrees as linear pair.
linear pair, linear pair. Children, from this, what you understood, this 70 and this 70 are equal. So always remember, in a cyclic quadrilateral, exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. In a cyclic quadrilateral, it will be useful, children. Exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle. Exterior angle is equal to interior opposite angle in a cyclic quadrilateral. Remember, children, it will be useful. Okay, we have generalized because we have seen so many sums now. So we are generalizing one statement. Okay, next one. Vikram Babu. Sridev.
Yes, sir.
So this is the question. This is the question, and this is 25 degrees. This is 25 degrees. Find DAC. I want this angle. And remember, they have given that this and this are equal. Can you tell me?
Sir, 25 and 25, 25 plus 25 plus one
This
more
is-
downward.
You want to say this is 25?
Yes, sir.
Why?
But they said equal
Equal sides will have
equal angles.
base angles. Say the statement. Equal sides will have
Equal sides will have equal angles.
base angles.
Base angles.
Now tell me why. Angles are proper.
25 plus 25 plus y is equals to 180 degrees. 51. 50.
130.
130.
This is 130. What will be this?
50 degrees, sir.
Why?
Because opposite angles are supplementary. In a cyclic quadrilateral.
In cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. In cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary.
Supplementary.
Yes. Very good. Yeah. Next question. Whose chance is this now? Yeah. Anyone is left over? Tanmay, can you tell if this is 80 degrees, what will be this angle?
Yes, sir.
Lincoln. If this is 80, this will be
100, sir.
100.
Linear pair.
Why? Linear pair. If this is 100, this will be
Sir, 80 degrees.
80 because cyclic quadrilateral opposite angles are
Opposite angles
supplementary.
are supplementary.
If this is 80, this will be
100.
why?
Linear pair.
Linear pair. Krishna Lahari,
Yes, sir.
next question for you. Yes. Please check two circles I'm giving. One is going like this. Please, all of you keep copying down. Don't sit idle, children. This is P mark. See here. This is B. And this is coming to the center O. This is going like this. And there is a common chord. And here, this is joining to the center O. Okay, one is O, one is O dash. So here they are giving this is 50 degrees, Lahari. If this is 50 degrees, can you help me how to find out APT, Nana? I want this angle. Can you help me, Nana? The two are congruent circles. The two are congruent circles. Can anyone tell what are congruent circles?
Sir, they have equal
Having
measures.
same radius.
Yeah, they both have same radii. Very good. They both have same radius. Yes, Lahari, can you tell Nana?
Sir, since they have same radius, 50 x is also 50 degrees.
This is also 50, you mean to say?
Yes.
No, no, no.
Sir,
First let us find directly you can't say like that, no, no.
Sir, the middle one will be a square, right?
Which one?
No, sir, parallelogram, the middle, yeah, that one.
This one. It can be
Yes,
parallelogram
sir.
or rhombus. No,
Yes, sir,
not parallelogram,
parallelogram or
not
rhombus.
parallelogram. No, not parallelogram, rhombus only. In
Okay, sir.
parallelogram, here all sides are equal because all radii are equal. Right?
Yes.
This is a rhombus,
yes.
not a square because here 50 is there. In rhombus, opposite angles are
Supplement.
equal. In rhombus, opposite angles are equal. In rhombus, opposite angles are equal, not supplementary. If this is 50, this also will be
50 degrees.
50. And if this is x, this also
X.
x. Why? This is radius, this is radius. Equal sides will have equal base angle. So exterior angle is equal to
Sum of opposite interior.
50 is equal to
2x.
okay, 50 is equal to x. So x is equal to 25 degrees. So this is 25, this is 25. Very good. Next, Srihita is there. Srihita, she's not even opening her mouth. Okay, no problem. So we'll give to Nandika. Nandika,
Yes, sir.
nice question for you. A, C, D is there. Amma, see here like this. A, C, D. Okay, and D, Q is there. D, Q is there. Okay, and here P is there, and here A is there. Okay, no, actually, it's a little bit bent this now. A little bit bent this. So what I will do, first I will draw this like this. It is. Okay, this is A, C, D. Okay, you are able to understand that this is straight line. Nandika, can you
Yes,
understand?
sir. Yes, sir.
This is
Yes, sir, I
P.
can understand.
This is P. Okay, and they said this is 150 mm. This is 150. This angle is 150.
Yes, sir.
And their question is, what is BQD? Where is BQD? This one. They're asking how much is this?
Okay.
And
Sir,
P and Q are the center sum. P and Q are the center. Yeah,
if
tell them.
this is 150, then angle C. Yes, sir. We have to join CB. So angle ACB will be 150 by 2, which is 75
By
by degree measure theorem.
fantastic. If this is 75,
That
will be
will be 115, sir.
By?
115 by
By?
a linear pair. Linear pair.
105. No, this is 105.
105, sir. Yes.
If
Linear
this
pair.
is 105, this will be
75.
this is 105. This will be how much?
75, sir.
Right?
In cyclic quadrilateral opposite
It's
angle.
not cyclic quadrilateral, Nana.
Oh,
It's
sir,
cyclic. Let me join like this one. Now you tell if this is 105, this is how much?
that is 75.
By
That is cyclic quad.
this in cyclic quadrilateral opposite
Correct.
angles.
Yes,
If
opposite
this is
angle.
75, this is
That is 75. That will be 150.
by degree.
Degree measure theorem.
So only small mistake which you are suddenly you did means this you are thinking cyclic quadrilateral. Is it a cyclic quadrilateral?
No, sir.
No, because it is not touching the circle. Okay, very good. Be careful, children. Okay, 12th question. Okay, I will draw the question. Who will tell your wish? I will draw the question. Whoever wants, they can see, children. Let's see the question. First of all, this is there like this. Okay, and this is coming like this, children. I will all the sums. I will send it as a PDF for you, children, so that when you have time, once you go through, children, this very sums, you will not have a textbook, children. Okay, all this PDF I will send children whenever you have time. You can just go through all the sums. Okay, this is the question. 1 second, children. So this is A, this is B. This is a straight line, children. Unfortunately, different bend is there here, but straight line. O, P, this is P, this is P, and this is B, this is B. Okay, and this is Q. This is R. This is 35 degrees. And this is 25 degrees. I want here children in this sphere, 15.198, I want find PBR. PBR, children, I want this entire angle. Anyone wants to say? Anyone wants to say, children, this is a straight line.
Yes, sir.
Tell now.
Sir, can I say?
Tell.
Yes, sir. Then 35 degrees. Sir, by angle sum property, we can find the angle ABQ, sir.
A,
BQ.
B, Q. Okay, this entire thing you want to find out.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you find out what happens, it will be somewhere. This is okay. This entire thing you want to find out.
Yes, sir.
But they want PBR. Okay, this, but again, you'll get confusion.
Sir, otherwise we can like,
If can you
Sir,
say
sir.
this is 90 now.
Nine-
Angle
Okay,
in
sir.
semicircle is 90. If this is 90, this
Okay,
is
sir.
also 90 now.
90 degrees. Yes, sir.
Because linear pair.
Linear pair.
If this is 90,
Yes, sir.
this is 25. This will be how much?
65, sir.
105.
90, 25. This is 90. This is 25. So how much will be this?
65, sir.
90 plus 25 plus x is equal to 180. 115 plus x is equal to 180. X is equal to 65. If this is 65, this total will be how much? 180.
Yes, sir.
180 minus
180
65
minus
is
65.
115.
115, sir.
Yeah, a lot of distance is neutral. So children, this entire angle is 115. This entire, because children, this is 90, children. Angle in the semicircle is 90 degrees. 90 means this is 90. This is 90. This is 25. This is 65. Total will be 180. From 180, you remove this only 65. You will get this as 115 degrees, children. Okay, children. So many sums we did, children. For today is enough. Remaining we'll do tomorrow, children. We'll start new concept tomorrow. We'll start it. Okay. So please mark your attendance and then go, children.